Should be seeing gulls by morning. The birds of the Grand Banks fair filled with courage.
Keep the helm hard over. We're going to clear.
What is it? Iceberg, sir. I put her hard to starboard and reversed the engines, but she was too close. Stop engines.
Stop engines.
Did you feel something?
I did, a slight bump.
A bump in mid-ocean?
Yes? Why have we stopped?
A bit of trouble, sir. The captain's compliments, and would you please join him on the bridge?
No?
If you please, sir.
There's talk of an iceberg, ma'am. I expect we've stopped so as not to run over anything.
What's up?
Oh, we're stopped and blown off steam. Something wrong, I don't know what. Bumped a bit of ice, I think.
Oh, I can't sleep with this racket going on. Do you want me to give you a hand?
Oh, I'll finish the Cape Race traffic.
Oh.
You can help with the accounts if you like.
Oh, I'll get some clothes on. Do you think we'll have to turn back?
Oh, don't say it. If we do, we won't get a moment's peace in here.
All right, now listen to me. The ship has been seriously damaged. The captain's ordered the boat swung up. It's got to be done quickly and efficiently. We don't want any panic. If you keep your heads, the passengers will keep theirs. Now, I know you've had no chance for boat drill, but you're all seamen and you've got brains. Now's the time to use them. All right, bosun. Yes, sir. Get busy.
The ship is badly damaged. Send out the call for assistance.
The regulation distress call, sir?
Yes, and at once. As soon as you're in touch with the ship nearest to us, tell them to come as quickly as they can. You understand?
Yes, sir.
That's our position.
Yes, sir.
All passengers go to their cabins and put on life jackets. There is no cause for alarm.
You'll find life jackets on the rack in your wardrobe. Please proceed to your cabins immediately.
You're to put on your life jackets. After that, you're to proceed to the promenade deck by the after ladder.
Swing out! Number 2 crew, see your boat clear of the ship's side before you lower away.
Officer, there's nobody to man this boat.
The crew on its way up. Keep your people together.
Quick, onto it! Quick, lads! The boat head's going!
Carry on lowering.
Hey, there'll be trouble about that when we get to New York.